All right, welcome to the Banner Rotators page. So before we get started actually demoing the tool, and this is a powerful tool for our upgraded members, I think you're going to love it. But before we go about demoing it, let me just explain real quick what a banner rotator is in case you're not already familiar with that. Now, a banner, as you know, an advertising banner is a graphical image that goes on a website, and when people click the banner, the graphical image, it brings them to another website or a page or whatever it may be. So basically it's just an image that when clicked will bring somebody to a website. That's what a banner is, and most of you are probably already familiar with banner advertising. But what this tool does is it allows you to test or to basically rotate different banners that are attached to different links. Okay, and so let's say, just for simplicity's sake, let's use golfing as an example. So let's say you were promoting a golf affiliate program, right? And you had 3 or 4 different affiliate programs that all had banner ads that you could use to promote their system or that product or whatever it may be. Now, what you could do with the banner rotator is say you purchase a banner ad or some advertising space somewhere, or even on your own website, you had a block and you wanted to promote a banner. Say you had like a 468 by 60 banner space on your blog, and you wanted to promote all of these different products and see which ones, you know, converted the best for you. Well, the banner rotator is going to make that really, really simple. What you're going to do is basically put 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or however many banners, so the actual images, into the banner rotator, and then attach the appropriate affiliate link to each of those banners. And what will happen is every time your page loads where this banner is, or where this the banner rotator is actually, every time that page reloads, so every time there's a new visitor, it will show the next banner in your rotator, so that you're able to, basically it's going to continue to rotate those. Every time the page reloads, it shows the next one in series. So they're all basically getting shown an equal amount of time, and then you'll be able to see which one you actually generated the most sales from, and then you know that that's the product that is going to most likely make you the most money on that web page or on that website or wherever it may be. So a really, really powerful way to go about promoting different affiliate tools quickly and easily, and I think you're going to love it. So let's just go ahead and get started actually walking you through the process of how to set up these banner rotators, and I think it'll make a little bit more sense once you actually see it in action. So the first step, of course, is to name the banner rotator. So I'm just going to call this test banner rotator. Okay, real simple, and we'll hit add. It's going to go ahead and add that for us. So the first thing we need to do is actually upload an image for the banner. Okay, so I'm just going to browse for an image here. And I'm just going to select, I've already pre-selected a few of these here. So I have a banner here for the list auction. And again, this is just for example purposes. So I've uploaded the banner, which is the actual image part. Now I need to associate a link with that banner. So where do I want people to go when they click on this banner, right? So obviously I want to put in my affiliate link for the list auction. And for you, it may be different depending on what you're doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my link. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in here. And then I'm going to add another banner because I want to rotate a few, right? And let's see, so I'm going to go grab the next one. And I have one just for Traffic Locker for demonstration purposes. And then I'm going to go grab my affiliate link for Traffic Locker and tie that to that banner. And I'm going to do one more. This one for Viral Ad Store. I'm going to grab my affiliate link and paste that in here, and there we go. So, and you can remove the banner, view the banner, or validate the link, which validate will basically make sure that it will, basically this link would pass on most of the online traffic programs as far as not having, you know, frame breakers and things along those lines. So you can use all of those tools there. But so now I have 3 banners, so 3 banners that are all the same size. That's important. You don't want to be rotating different sized images in the same rotator. So these are all 468 by 60 banners, and then each of these banners is tied to a link. So when somebody clicks on this one, they're going to go to this link. When they click on this one, they're going to go to that link, and on and on. So once I have them on, the last choice I can make is for the domain filtering. And basically what that means is if it's displaying, say they're on, let's just use this first one as an example. If somebody's on the list auction domain, it will skip this banner because we don't want to promote the list auction affiliate program on the list auction because those people are already a member of the list auction, right? So we don't want to waste any of your traffic. So we're not going to display offers for sites that people are already a member of. So that's what the domain filtering is here. You can use that and then just hit save it. I'm going to go ahead and save this rotator. And you can see the rotator has been added. So now I'm going to go ahead and return to rotators. And you'll see what this gives you now is some code here. So you can use this snippet of code to rotate that banner on your own site. So if you just take this little snippet and place it on your website, it's going to rotate these banners. So every time somebody visits the page, it's going to go from this one, and then it's going to show this one, and then this one for each of the images. So very, very clean and easy way to display this on your own site or on any other site that will let you display it in that fashion. Now, some websites, and we've kind of changed this a short time ago to help some members with their requests. Some members want an image URL, which is the actual image, the banner. They want to know where that lives, and then they also want a link, right, to go with each banner, because they want to know when somebody clicks that banner, where should we take them. So we set up these two tools here. So when sites ask for an image URL and then a destination URL, you want to use these two links. This one will rotate the images, and this link will rotate the links that attach to those images, and we keep that synced inside your members area. So it's a pretty cool feature, so that when the other site rotates this banner, it will automatically associate this link with it in time, so everything's synced up. And that way, on sites that don't allow you to upload, you know, this JavaScript code, or to show them connected like that, and they want an individual image URL and destination URL, you now have the tools to do that as well. So you would use these right here. This would be your image URL, and this would be your destination URL. In most cases, you're going to use just one or the other, whichever one makes the most sense for you. And then down here, we just display the actual destination links for your banners as well. So what you would want to do is just take this snippet of code as an example. Why don't I go ahead and do that real quick? I'm going to load up this snippet of code on a blank web page just to show you what will happen. I'll be right back. All right, so I've just loaded up this this rotator in a blank page. So the only thing you're going to see is the rotator, and you'll see when the page first loads, it shows our first banner, and then if we were to click on that, it would bring us to the list auction. And then if I reload the page, so say I'm another visitor coming, now it's showing, you'll notice, the second banner, and if I click on that, it's going to bring me to the traffic locker link that we put in the banner rotator. And again, if I rotate it again, it's going to go to the viral ad store, and on, and then it would rotate back to the beginning. So basically, that's just a real quick demonstration of how this snippet here works. And again, for sites that need the image and destination URL, just go ahead and use these links here, and you'll be good to go. So hopefully that's helpful for you. It's going to be a great tool. I hope you put it to use, and I hope you get a lot from it. Again, this is Mike. We'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks.